Hello everybody, my name is Aaron. Welcome back to the channel. So I have a real quick question for you guys. I need some help. I have a 1991 Chevrolet S10 pickup. It is a 2.5 with a T5 manual trans. So I'm gonna give you a little story and then see if you guys can help me down in the comments below. So what happened is the truck was running good, just rebuilt the bottom end, and then the head gasket blew. Should have replaced it, but I didn't at the time. So took the head off, replaced the head gasket, cleaned it up all nice, cleaned the intake up all nice. I didn't take anything else apart or anything. Put it all back together the way that it came out. The only thing that the truck was doing before I took it apart was idling high because, you know, the head gasket was blown. But anyway, so I put it all back together. It's getting fuel, it's getting spark, it has compression, it's in time. All the sensors are brand new, tested good. Everything is brand new. Everything is working fine. But the truck will not start. Why? I don't know. But I need you guys' help down in the comments below if it's any advice you guys can give to me. And I'll do an update video just in case there's more that I need to say or show you, physically show you. The only thing I haven't done yet is readjusted every single lifter, which I'm gonna do. But I don't think that would keep it from just starting. So I need some help, guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. If there's anything else that I need to say, I'll either make another video or reply to your comments. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Hope to hear from you guys soon, and I will see you all in the next one.